Hello, my name is Kairi, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a combination math question. A combination question is a question that gives you multiple choices, and you have to figure out the number of combinations possible. So let's try. An ice cream shop sells 3 types of cones: plain, waffle, and dipped. For the ice cream, they have chocolate and vanilla, and for the toppings, they have chocolate, strawberry, and caramel sauce. How many combinations are there in total? Let's use a diagram to find out. So here we have plain, dipped, and waffle. Now we have to do 2 for the chocolate and the vanilla here, and next 3 for the sauces here. Next, just count 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and 18. That means that the answer is 18. But if you'll notice, 3 times 2 times 3 also equals 18. You can also just multiply it. I hope this has helped you understand combination questions. Thanks for watching!